getting colder in here. That can only mean one thing.
Oh, I hope so. Then we can really celebrate the holidays. The royal historians have been telling our story.
Oh, thank you. That was a very good story you told. Although the ending felt strange.
Well, Olaf did help a lot.
Anna, you saved our whole kingdom. It was you who saved your sister and yourself.
An act of true love will thaw a frozen heart.
You're my sister, Elsa. I love you.
Excuse me, Queen Elsa. The citizens of the Kingdom of Hollywood did a great job singing our anthem.
Yeah, it was almost like they had the words right there in front of them the whole time.
That's wonderful. You make all of Arendelle very proud.
Yay! What a great way to celebrate the holidays.
It's great you can be together with family and friends during this time of year.
But we're not all together. Olaf isn't here.
Actually, I have a little holiday surprise for you. For all of you.
You know? Surprise! Merry, holly, jolly season's greetings, everyone!
Hola!
That's me! And I like warm hugs, especially during the holidays.
It's Olaf! He's got the carrot!
Take a deep breath.
Oh, Elsa, this is perfect. I'm so glad we can all finally be together for the holidays.
It's time to start the celebration.
Yes, Kristoff, it's time. Let's bring in the season.
Ooh, yay! I love bells.
This is overdue. Gotta look our best.
Ooh, I've never been so nicely dressed.
We'll be hosting and toasting the whole night through as we ring in the season with you. It's the first Christmas in forever since we opened up the gate. And it's the first Christmas I remember to date, and it's already worth the wait. And it's almost time to ring the bell. We're here and shine through Arendelle. It's finally here and it's happening fast. We'll make up for all we have missed in the past. It's time to celebrate as we ring in the season. And
Ringing the Yule Bell is one of my favorite holiday traditions.
Oh, traditions! I love the idea of traditions.
Especially during that time of year.
Yup. Happy, merry, holly, jolly season's greetings here. I'm wondering what your family does at that time of year. Hi, shalom, happy solstice, tidings of good cheer. Do you have tradition things for that time of year?
Chocolate. Definitely chocolate.
Old Flemongrad, the fungus troll.
Ew, gross.
Oh, I love baking cookies in the wavy shape of Norway.
And who doesn't love knitting tiny sweaters for kids?
Can I change my answer?
That's weird. No one said fruitcake. Oh, happy, merry, melancholy, holly jolly, happy, tappy, chubby men will soon appear, and faithful friends are tiny dear, and festive tidings midnight clear, and I'm so glad that we're all here at that time of year.
Nothing beats old Flemmy, trust me.
Elsa, you didn't say what your favorite part of the holiday season is.
Well, my favorite tradition is being with you, Anna. You and all of our wonderful family and friends during the holidays.
Oh, Elsa, me too. And when we're together, I know the season will be merry and bright.
Sure, it's nice to open a gift that's tied up with a perfect bow. But the greatest present of all was given to me long ago. It's something I would never trade. It's the family that we've made. 'Cause when we're together, I have everything on my list. And when we're together, I have all I wished. All around the Christmas tree, there'll be dreams coming true. But when we're together, then my favorite gift is you. I would travel miles and miles, and I would follow any star. I'd go almost any place if it's any place you are. 'Cause when we're together, I'll forever feel at home. And when we're together, we'll be safe and warm. Doesn't matter where we are, if you're there with me. 'Cause when we're together, that's my favorite place to be. Stay forever, and when we're together,
It's my favorite